Hi everyone, hope you are doing extremely well. So here you can see that we have made this website without any coding in 5 minutes, and I will also tell you step by step process what is the prompt that you have to use to get this type of cool modern website. Here you can see that on the left hand side there is a logo of Charity Hub, and here you can see that there is a animation, and also there is a cool modern navbar, and there is a donate now option also. And when I am hovering on this nav option like home, campaigns, volunteer, about, contact, here you can see that there is a simple hovering animation effect. And if I scroll down below, here you can see that current campaigns and three cards, and each of these cards have some animations. So if I hover on this, so here you can see that some type of scale animation is there. And believe me guys, I have not written any code, any portion of the code I have not written. I have just given this prompt to Bolt.New. Yes, we will use this Bolt.New. Many of you already have heard about this Bolt.New website. So we'll explore that how to make this type of cool website. Okay, so here you can see that make an impact as a volunteer. This is the about section, and here you see that this is the footer section, and also this footer have some hovering animation effect also, and there is a newsletter option. So you see that this is a cool website, this is a modern website because we have used some gradient also in this hello section. And so this is basically the same as the Bolt.New. So if you go to this Bolt.New website, here you can see that there is some gradient effect, right? Now for this also we have used this, and so that it looks modern. Okay, now come to the point that how to generate this type of modern cool website without any coding. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe this channel AI Egypt. And here you see that we have already made many videos on the latest technology, how to install this llama, how to use this perplexity, ditto, and all of these things. Okay, so now let's come to this video. So go to the chat GPT, and here you see that we have generated this prompt by using this text. So I asked ChatGPT that generate a prompt to build charity app using React Tailwind and use proper image gradient background animation so that it looks modern. Okay, so after that ChatGPT generated this prompt. Here you see that home page, donation section, and this volunteer section, and this is the profile page, and this is a footer. Okay, and you see that they have used this animation also, keyframe fade in, and this is the apply. Here we see that this applies the tailwind class. Many of you already know about this. Okay, so if I copy this prompt, so let me show you from the beginning that what I did actually. Okay, so just copy this thing and go to Bolt.New. By the way, you have to make an account in this Bolt.New using your GitHub or using your Stackbridge account. Okay, this is very simple guys. So let me paste it, and here you will see that it will generate the template. And here you see that, see here, it has already generated this tailwind file. Okay, tailwind config.js, and this navigation.tsx, header.tsx, navigation.tsx. Okay, under the src and components folder it has generated all these things. And on the left hand side you see that create the initial file, install the dependencies. So it has created already the package.json. Here you see this is the package.json. See here, it has already generated many components like navigation, volunteer card.tsx. Okay, so it is using the TypeScript by default. If you don't want to use the TypeScript, then you can tell that don't use TypeScript, use only the JavaScript. Okay, and here you see that it is writing all of these things. And let me show you one another thing. So here you can see that on the upper portion there is two options. One is the code, another one is the preview. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Here you can see that code and preview. So after writing the code it will generate the preview, that what how it looks like, right? So let's wait for some time. So let's see the preview. Okay, so it looks like a good modern website. So let me expand it. Okay, so let me expand it. Here you see that they have given a name like Kind Hearts. Okay, it is a charity website we are making, by the way. And here you see that donate now. So if you compare the website that I already generated, here you see, and you see this website that it generated now, there is a huge difference. You see that it looks like a more modern, right? So you see that there is a many options. This home, donate, you see, and this is the 2.5 million plus donations, 10,000 plus volunteer, 500 plus projects, and this is the feature campaigns, and this is a volunteer option, and this is the kind hearts and donate links. Okay, so this likes a cool, right? Now what I will do, suppose you want to apply gradient effect that we already applied here. So what you will do, just copy this website, like I want to apply the gradient background like the Bolt.New. So what you will do, just copy this website name Bolt.New, okay, and just go to the this prompt section, okay, and now tell this that this make footer. Okay, so if I go to the footer section, so here you see that they have given about link 1 2 3, and so make footer with social media links, and uh, make this website uh, website style like this website, um, this website I have given the reference of this website Bolt.New, um, and I can give this, see here, this is the like a teal and white text, okay, teal background, teal background. So I am showing you the step-by-step process so that you can also generate this teal background and white text, okay, white text, and like this website Bolt.New, okay. So now hit enter, so it will do the modifications. So let's wait for the some time. Here you can see that it is modifying. By the way, if you see the structure, so inside the source folder they have written these components, and inside the components they have written all these components like this donation card, header.tss, navigation.tss, and outside that they have placed this app.tss after the index.css, and also they have configured the tailwind completely in a good manner, okay, and they have also generated this package.json, and I'll show you that how to deploy this, okay, because if you show this here you can see that I have deployed this in the netlify.app, okay, but this deployment is a 1 minute process. So see where we were, so it is generating this. There is a simple deployment process. You don't have to make a netlify account also, so just wait for the some time. So here you see it has generated, okay, let me expand this. See here, it has generated all these things. Let me scroll down below. Okay, it has not changed this about and volunteer links, so you can ask this that change the about links as a working links, or add some social media links like Instagram, Facebook. You can tell this, so it will do all of these things, okay. So see here how it has done the entire modification, and just with these 2 lines, okay. So I have asked this that use this type of background, and from take a reference from this website, and it has done all of these things. Now if you compare this website and this, so now it looks like a modern, right? So in this way you can generate this the entire website, and you ask this Bolt.New that make this donate now as a functional, or when we click on this donate now, it will generate a pop-up. Okay, so let's do this. When click on donate now button, so donate now button, it will show a pop-up with all functionality. Okay, so let's hit enter. So when we will click on this donate now button, it will show a pop-up with all necessary functionalities. So let's wait for some time that what it is doing. Okay, so it has already added this donation model.tsx, and it has updated this app.tsx, also the header.tsx. Now, if I click on this donate now button, okay, so it is showing the amount like $10, $25, $50, $500, and also you can place the custom amount also. Okay, so there is so this looks like a cool. Okay, so if I press on this continue, okay, oh my god, so you can select the amount. After that there is a full name and this email, this card number, expiry date, and click on this donate. Oh my god, what is this, man? So there is a cool functionality that we have generated. Okay, now there is a simple deployment process. Here you can see that on the right hand corner, top right hand corner, there is a deploy button, and if you click on this deploy, so here you can see that it is saying you have hit the rate limit, please upgrade to keep chatting. So there is a rate limit. Okay, so you can visit the same link again tomorrow, and you can complete the deploy process. But now I have not that much token to complete all of these things, so that's why it is saying this type of message. But when you click on this deploy button, it will deploy it to its Netlify account, and the link will like this. Here you can see that this is the website .netlify.app. This is the extension that you will get. So I hope you got the idea. So I think you now got the idea that how to do all of these things. Okay, and so if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and please make sure to see the other videos also, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.